Okay, so today we're going to be replacing the lid to the center console in a 2006 Pontiac G6 GT Coupe. The reason we're going to be replacing this lid is because it's dented in, and that's when you drive and you put your elbow here. Pretty much every car will get it if you put your elbow there, but it's simple, easy. It's very easy to change out. All you have to do is take out these 3 Phillips screws, and then this will come off, and that'll just fall down. You get your other one, line it up like this, and put the 3 Phillips screws back in. So I'm going to take it off real quick, show you what it should look like. Okay, so now the lid is off. Like I said, it was just those 3 screws that pops back off. So now you get your new lid, and you just line it up, screw it back in, and then you're done. I mean, that's a simple fix. I've seen people take off that hinge to try to pull it out, and it's just easier to take the 3 screws out and be done with it. Well, I hope this video helped. If it is, please leave a like rating, subscribe to the channel for more content, and I will see you all later. Peace.